Welcome back to your channel for healthy longevity. I'm Dr. Joanette, your longevity expert. Today, we are going to be making Mediterranean longevity roasted vegetables. So let's get cooking. We're going to start with making our longevity seasoning and spice mix. I went ahead and put the longevity seasoning mix into one of the spice jars that I have so that it would be ready to season our vegetables. We have here what I call cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables are those vegetables that grow best in a cooler season. And as a result, they have a lot of vitamins and nutrients that are good for healthy longevity. We have Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and broccoli. To get started, we're going to put them all together in a bowl. And I've preheated the oven to 425 degrees, which is the temperature we're going to roast them at. I have here some oregano-infused olive oil. When you go to my website at growwithdrjoanette.com, you'll be able to make your own oregano or any herb-infused olive oil. You can make oregano, rosemary, garlic. Garlic is another favorite of a lot of people. So go to the website and get that recipe for herb-infused olive oil. It's so good for you. I'm going to be sprinkling probably about 2 tablespoons of the oregano-infused olive oil. And then I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of the longevity Mediterranean seasoning mix that we just made. I just sprinkle it all over the vegetables and then just mix them up real well to get all of that delicious, healthy seasoning coating the vegetables before we roast them up. You'll want to use a good amount of olive oil. It's healthy for you, and it also helps add flavor to your vegetables, especially if it's an herb-infused olive oil, and helps the Mediterranean seasoning stick to your vegetables. I have a sheet pan here that I've covered with a little foil, and then also I put a little olive oil on it that I spread around. We're going to just dump that all right on our sheet pan and spread it out a bit. And the other thing that you might want to do is if you have some roasted garlic, chop up some roasted garlic and sprinkle it on your sheet pan as well. It adds a deliciousness to your roasted vegetables. If you don't have roasted garlic, just use fresh garlic and mince it up real fine. So we're going to just spread the roasted garlic here on the vegetables. This garlic's fairly soft. Sometimes it is a little firmer and you can chop it, and this is more like a garlic paste, but it kind of tastes the same either way. Oh, it looks good. Got a lot of nice garlic on there. If you want to, you can also add some additional salt and pepper. There is salt and pepper in your Mediterranean longevity seasoning mix, but you may want to add additional salt and pepper to your taste. Now it's ready to go in your oven. You're going to roast it at about 420 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes. Check it after about 15 minutes, though. If you like your veggies extra crunchy, you may want to take it out at 15 minutes. But if you like them a little more tender and softer, you may want to go the full 30 minutes. Our roasted vegetables are roasted and ready to come out of the oven. They smell delicious, and I roasted them for about 18 minutes. They're nice and brown, but still a little on the crunchy side. And if they weren't so hot, I'd give them a taste. But I really don't want to burn my mouth, so thank you for watching, clicking that like button, as well as subscribing. When you go to my website, growwithdrjoanette.com, you'll be able to see this recipe as well as so many other recipes. In addition to that, I have the recipe for the Mediterranean longevity spice and seasoning mix. So check it out and click on the health button and explore my other pillars for healthy longevity in addition to my nutrition pillar. And we'll see you next time on your channel for healthy longevity.